across your website and I just want to give some feedback on this, and I just want to commend for the really nice website. And what I like about this is the phone number and the email address and the chat box where clients would easily contact you. There are things a lot. I mean, there are a lot of things we can read here. So now, let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google, and what we are looking right now is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid. And you can see you are number 1 right here in the middle area, which is your Google profile location. Then around that, it drops off quickly right here on the top and here on the corner too. And one of the suggestions we're giving business on this right now is to put another profile and another website in another corner of the city that you want to grow into. Now let's take a quick look to see how you are ranking. I'm going to show it to you. How you are ranking Fernandez. Right here, you are in the 10th position where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you and below or the following after you are the companies who are also giving business as you do, the same as you do. Now, so what we are thinking or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put another profile to get you more jobs or more work to do. Now, if you're interested or if you have any inquiries, please let us know. Thank you.